is Toben Nelson. I'm a professor in the Division of Epidemiology and Community Health at the University of Minnesota School of Public Health. We're here to talk about a study that we did looking at obesity prevention in youth sports. And we've been thinking about this area for a while. Lots of kids are interested and involved in youth sports, but in my observations, I've seen a lot of food that was not necessarily healthy for kids. So we wanted to talk to parents about this issue and find out if that was a concern for them. So I want to introduce a student of mine through our Masters of Public Health program here at the University of Minnesota, Megan Thomas, to talk about some of the work that she did talking with parents about youth sports and the food that's available.
Like Toben said, we were primarily interested in looking at the food environment in youth sport, and we looked at a variety of ways to do this. The best way we finally came upon was to do focus groups with parents of youth sport participants, 4 in Minneapolis, an urban setting, and 4 in Bloomington, a more suburban setting with, again, parents of youth basketball players, ages 6 through 13. I think the biggest thing that parents said was that there's a lack of nutrition knowledge out there among both themselves, among coaches, and among the youth sport participants themselves. Parents said over and over and over is, I want to do the right thing, but I need something that's quick, convenient, easy. So from parents, what they wanted was more nutrition knowledge. What is an adequate snack or pregame meal for my child? What are good post-game snacks to bring?
I think it was important to note that parents identified the food environment in youth sport as being particularly unhealthy. And we actually did a simulation of how many calories kids were actually burning while they were playing sports, and then compared that to the calories they were getting from some typical snacks that we heard about from our parent focus groups, and found out that in many cases, kids are likely to be in energy surplus after participating in sports. What we did then, based on what the recommendations we got from these parents and from also talking to league administrators and coaches around the Twin Cities area, is to develop some nutrition guidelines. Those are now available on our Healthy Youth Sport website, taking into account some of the unique constraints that families and kids have when they're participating in sports.